Hello viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this cordless screwdriver with exchangeable attachments 4V, the model PASD7 without a power adapter. Battery 4V Li-ion 1.5 Ah, max torque 10 Nm, rated no load rotation speed 200 RPM, charging time 60 minutes, 3 years warranty, Li-ion technology, accessories included. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And a lovely case. And of course inside we have the manual and all these accessories. Wow! And of course we don't have power adapter. Only the cable. The cable length it is 1.5 meters. Type C, I like that. Type A. We have screw bits. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Total 27 small and another 2 larger. And of course we have one magnetic bit holder. Extended. Nice. One torque attachment with adjustments. One eccentric attachment, one angle attachment, and one cutting attachment. And of course we have the power tool. Left rotation, right rotation with LED indicators indicate each time where is rotating the tool. LED working light, soft grip, soft elements around, black and green color, and at the trigger. At the middle it locks. Small and portable. I like it. So to install one of the other attachments, remove this cover, silicone pad, and you can install one of these attachments, so easy. Press and it locks. The angle attachment, you can install it at this position, or just like that. Flexible connection, I like that. However you want. And of course you can install one of the bits. With or without the bit holder, it is your choice. With the angle attachment it helps on tight areas to use this tool. And of course you can use the tool without the attachments, only with the extension bit holder. And the same you can use in this eccentric attachment. Find the right position where you want to install that. and of course, and the cutter. The same and for the cutter. Now I would like to fully charge this tool before use it for the first time, so no power adapter is included. You can charge it from a power bank, use your own power adapter. We can see it's flashing, I think it is near fully charged. Only the green light is flashing right now. All these accessories included. So let's wait until it will fully charge. It is fully charged. Nice. I will use first the cutter. Let's use it at this cardboard. Nice. So easy. Thicker. Two together. Three together. Okay. I like it. Good power. Four together. Come on, you can do that. Yes. Wow. I like it. It is powerful for that type of tool, small tool. Okay. Now let's use the first attachment. Okay, starting with the smaller length. The maximum. Nice. Bigger length and thicker. I need to change the bit. Okay. Nice. Now I will use the other attachment. Okay, and again I will start with a smaller screw. think the battery was drained very fast. Of course, this tool is not designed for this level of work. It is designed for light duty work such as home maintenance. So let's try and with the angle attachment. The small screw again. Okay, let's try and with the larger screw. Why not? We can see the battery, it is orange. So let's see at the huge screw. Okay, come on, you can do it. Don't ask too much from me, I am a small tool. Okay. You can cut cardboard for your DIY projects and more, general maintenance, assemble furniture, cabinets, drawers at your home, garage, wherever you want, because it is portable and you can use it anywhere. My test was very hard for these tools, but I'm very happy with the whole experience. For just 20 euros you can have all this in a box. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.